Thrillophilia review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Planning a trip and saw an advertisement for entity brand Thrillophilia 0. You won't believe what happens next when you check the pricing and inclusions. Most people get this wrong. The fee, the inclusions, the hidden extras all matter. Here's the service. Thrillophilia is an Indian travel activity platform offering tours, adventure packages, stays and more. Customer reviews highlight 3 million traveler reviews and many praising the service for friendly staff, clean rooms and excellent service. Yet there are also user complaints of pricing opacity, extra charges or slow support. What you get when you pay: a curated package, transport, stay, local guide for many itineraries. Some convenience and peace of mind. The platform handles logistics, potentially access to deals or bundled pricing versus booking all elements individually. What you give up and need to check: you may pay an all-in price higher than choosing components yourself. Extra charges or optional items may show up. Quality may vary depending on local operator. Some reviews cite delays or issues. How to evaluate the pricing. 1. Read the itinerary closely. What's included versus excluded, meals, transfers guide, entrance fees. 2. Compare package cost with booking flights or hotels independently. 3. Check reviews for that specific package. Look for comments about hidden costs or service quality. 4. For Indian travelers, check cancellation policy, refund terms and seasonality. Peak tours cost more. Most people get this wrong by focusing on the headline price, but overlooking transport time cost or amenities. The surprising truth: a slightly higher cost can still be good value if you save time and hassle, but not if you end up paying extra for poor inclusions. In conclusion, if you value convenience, trusted planning, and a package experience, Thrillophilia can deliver good value. Just clarify what's included and confirm pricing. If you prefer dye and fine-tune every part yourself, you might save more by booking individually. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more travel platform pricing breakdowns.